Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Get rid of those scissors before I drop them on something. Whoops, sorry, my bad. Didn't mean to hit the camera. Get it out of its bag. All right, we have a cross stitch kit, and this kit comes from the SevenGreat store. And let me get this out of the bag. I'll be right back. All right, I am back. Well, as you can see, it is the Golden Dragon again. It is 11 count, 51 by 68. Yeah, and this was $17.49. So this is going to be part one. Part two will be this stitch with me. So let's take a look at what this kit looks like in silk. Very nice. I love this kit. It is so pretty. It is 177 by 248. Comes in a, I think it's a Mona Lisa. In fact, I'm pretty sure. Same paper pattern. It has 20 colors. There's no back stitching in this. We have 310 black, 321, which is Christmas red to me. We have 817, which is a red, and 606, sorry. And no white in this at all. So yeah, very nice. Very nicely printed. Does come with full page instruction on how to start, how to finish, how to do stitches, the same instructions that are in most kits. Let's take a look at the stunning threads. Oh my goodness. See if I can get a hold of it all. It's going to be kind of slippery. Now it does have an extra bag of threads, so there's 310 black and 3 different shades of the yellow to orange. Just beautiful, beautiful threads. Ugh, can you ever? And they are all on one thread card here. Hang on, I'm trying to shake it down. It does come with the toolkit. There are 3 needles here, a poof ball and a thimble and needle threader. And on this side there are 2 more needles, so we'll just set that aside and we'll get those needles. I got this hanging fire here, but look at all the beautiful silk threads in this. Just absolutely positively stunning, stunning, stunning. Look at that. It's like a dark greenish black, if you will. I don't know how to explain it. Then we have that lovely brown, but that gold is just gonna set this off. Oh yeah, just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Just vibrant, and I don't know, hopefully you can see how shiny that is, and just soft, just absolutely beautiful. Whoops, don't want to lose that. Let me fold the extras in there just so I don't lose them and get a hold of all this. Get everybody going before everybody decides they're going to get static electricity in them. But just a beautiful array. Just beautiful. I could drool for hours over this silk thread. Yeah. Let me put that up there. Oh, let me get those 2 needles before I forget. And we're just going to put them maybe into this little baggie so we don't lose them. There we go. So now we have 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader, but no picture, just plain. I'm just gonna set it aside over there. And this is that nice stiff fabric. This is on 11 count fabric. It is serged all the way around. It does have an edge where there's some salvage part, so sometimes they give you an extra amount. But look at him. Is he not stunning? He is just, I'm trying, it's so long. Just stunning. And I think it'll look even more stunning in silk. I just absolutely adore it. And it's very easy to see all the symbols. There is not, maybe a little bit of confetti, but nothing too horrible. Nice big key like on the other one. Just absolutely beautiful. I'm going to turn it this way. I just love this part where you can see all his scales and everything. I think it's gorgeous. And those flowers are just to die for. Just to die for. I have started, I'm looking for my, on the flower on the cotton thread. Beautiful colors. Just beautiful colors. So I can only imagine what this looks like in silk. So it's 65.5 centimeters or 25 3/4 inches by, working on it here, 51.5 centimeters or 20 1/4 inches. Actual is 57 centimeters or almost 22.5 inches. It's kind of big and wide, you know, but it's a nice size. And it is full coverage. 40.5 centimeters or 16 inches. So about 16 by 20-ish. But yeah, it's going to look stunning in silk. Just absolutely stunning. And I can't get over how clear this kit is. Let me fold it in half. It's kind of long, kind of hard to maneuver. I just wanted to hold it right there, just so you could see how clear everything is. So there's just no confetti that I can see. But just very beautiful. No back stitching, no half stitch, no French knots. Just absolutely gorgeous. Now, if 7Great has any specials or any discount codes, or if I have a discount code, it'll be at the beginning of the video. I should have said that there. And also in the description box below. Yeah, I wanted to see the difference, you know, like the threads. I mean, it seems like it has the same amount of threads as the cotton kit. So, yeah, but I think it'll be striking. This kit will be striking in silk. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, 7Great does have diamond painting, cross stitch, and I believe they have paint by number. I'm not real sure. But they always have a great selection, great prices. So do check them out. Oh, they do not have diamond painting. I'm sorry. I wrote that in my notes. I couldn't remember if they had diamond painting and paint by number or not. So it's just cross stitch, embroidery, beaded cross stitch, that kind of thing. But still, I mean, the selection is endless there. So do check them out. Thank you, 7Great, for this beautiful, gorgeous kit. I do appreciate it. And we will get started on that today at 1 in part 2 of my 7Great review. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.